Hi guys, so today in arts we are going to start discussing symmetry. How can I summarize symmetry for you? It's something very simple. If you observe this picture, for example, if you put a line in here, can you see that this part is the same as this part? They are a mirror of each other. So what happens? This is the symmetry. The concept, the theory is one part that is similar to the other, like a mirror. So I'm gonna read this for you just to be a little more clear, okay? Before we start discussing symmetry, we need to understand what it is. Symmetry has its origins in mathematics, which refers to the operation or transformation that results in the same figure as the original one, like a mirror. It is basically the balance between the various parts of an object. So is one part that is similar to the other. For example, I have here my phone. If I cut my phone in half, if I cut my phone in half, this part is similar to this one. So they complement each other, forming an object. So my phone is symmetrical. Okay? This is just an example. And symmetry can also be found in architecture. For example, this is the Taj Mahal in India. Okay? If you pay attention and you put a line in the middle of the construction, you can see that this part has the same elements as this other part. So they are the same. Can they be exactly the same? Not necessarily. But what people say is that the more similar, closer to perfection it is. If you pay attention to your face, one part is not exactly the same as the other. It's a little bit different, but the balance is what makes symmetrical. It's because you have the eyes in the same line, the face, your face, and the mouth is like this. It's symmetrical. The nose is not like crooked, and etc. Okay? The term symmetry can be found in the sciences and also in the arts. In the arts, it refers to an aesthetic element, as balanced to the fact that two parts of the same object are not alike, but sometimes only similar. For example, the left side of your face is different from your right, but they are very similar when comparing to each other, and that's what makes your face symmetrical. And in the end, you have some questions, okay? This is interpretation. So what is symmetry? Find the definition in the text. Can symmetry be found in other areas other than arts? Yes or no? If you answer yes, what other areas can you find symmetry? Are symmetrical things supposed to be identical? Yes or no? Over here, we have some practice. You are going to continue the drawing. So you're going to make the flower. They have to be similar. The boat, okay? And over here, you are going to continue. So you're going to make only one drawing, okay? So you have the flower, the boat, the house, and the robot. Okay, guys? That's it. If you have any questions, please ask your parents to send me a message. And then I'll talk to you, okay? See you!